Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Attitude Amway Gladrags Mega Model Manhunt Reality Series. I'm Maureen Wadia. Over the last 1 year, most of India's youth have been training just to get into this pageant. This is the pageant where stars are born and mega models are made. The auditions are finally over, and most of the guys and girls who dreamt of being in this pageant, maybe they made it. Well, today is the day I greet them and welcome them into the Gladrags Career Academy, Mumbai, where they are trained to perfection by me. Well, orientation is going to begin, and these are the first few seconds, but from here onwards, they have no idea that this is the survival of the fittest. And I will teach them how to survive and how to be successful in life.
Gladrags, Mega Models.
Good evening, girls and guys. Good evening, I am your teacher, your mentor, and probably the worst disciplinarian you ever had. I am notorious for being tough on models, but my objective is not just to make you into pretty things. My objective is to make you into successful people who know where they're going in life. However, life is what you make it. Anything in life can fail you, but if you have the resolve that I am going to do this or do that, then life will not fail you. In life, it is all about being in the right place at the right time and the right amount of luck, and add to it talent. Right now, what you need to do is use the one thing God has given you and your parents have given you, a mind. This is the best weapon you have, because nobody can take that away from you. And last and not least, let me tell you something which you will not remember, but you should always remember. You are here because of your parents. You have come this far because your parents have given you their love, their money, and good health. The important thing in life is to keep yourself healthy, keep yourself fit, and whatever you're doing, resolve to do the best. Good evening, girls.
Good evening, ma'am.
Welcome to the Gladrags Career Academy, Mumbai. It's great to have you here finally. This is just a certificate for each and every one of you to let you know that you were here in this series. Thank you and congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. And that's for you. Congratulations. Congratulations for you. Congratulations. And that's for you. Congratulations. That's for you. Good evening, boys. First boy, please. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
And that's for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maybe you can sing for everyone. Congratulations. Nice to have you here. Congratulations. Welcome. Congratulations. Welcome here.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Good to have you here. Well, all the best, boys.
Thank you, ma'am.
And look forward to seeing lots of you and really training you in this boot camp. Thank you and good night. For the last 1 year, young girls and young boys all across India have been working out, have been doing their best to get into this pageant, and they're here. Today is the day The auditions are over and they are welcomed to the Glad Rags Career Academy where their training begins. And this is the place where stars are polished and stars are born. To sit, you got to take your weight on the back of your body here and on your butt, but the rear part of your butt. So basically from here onwards, you are keeping yourself slightly up in the chair. You can't hold that position forever. You can hold it for 2 seconds or 3 seconds if you're doing photography. Sit back, okay? Immediately there is interest here because the legs are at different levels. The minute you get things at different levels, particularly your feet or your hands, or if he has to now put his hand up, rest your chin on that, yeah, something like that. This is interesting. Break your posing. Never make your posing where both your legs are straight and both your hands are straight and both your hands are this way or both your hands are that way. The minute you angle yourself in different angles, you will get much more agility and much more movement is what you're really looking for, and then freeze that movement, even if you hold it for a second.
Glad Rags make a model.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Bist and I'm from Bombay. I'm very much passionate about modeling and my goal is to win Glad Rags Mega Model 2013.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम उज्जवल गौरा है। मैं कोरबा छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ। ग्लैड रैग्स मेन हंट में मैं आया हूँ ताकि यहाँ जीतकर मैं एक बहुत अच्छा मॉडल बन सकूँ।
Namaskar, this is Meena Singh from Delhi. Beauty is not about having a perfect body, it's about being confident and believe in yourself.
Hi guys, this is Deepak Saini. I'm from Amritsar, Punjab. I love writing poems, doing sketching. I'm passionate about modeling too.
Hi, I'm Meenakshi Chand, a postgraduate in biotechnology. I think I'll win Glad Rags Mega Model 2013 because whatever I do it with all my heart.
Hello, my name is Priti Thakur and I'm from Pune. I never lose hope and I keep forging ahead no matter what the circumstances.
I'm Nutashri Kotwal and I'm from Amchi, Mumbai. And my motto in life is simple. Live like you'll die tomorrow. Die like you've lived forever.
My name is Tangme Marchina N. Sangma and I'm from the beautiful state of Baghmara, Meghalaya. I'm passionate, enthusiastic and self-believer.
मैं हर्षदा फ्रॉम आमची मुंबई। खूबसूरत होने के साथ साथ मैं एक बहुत ही महत्वाकांक्षी और मेहनती लड़की हूँ।
अपने लक्ष्य को पूरा करने आया हूँ मैं आज आपके बीच। रवि अवाना, नोएडा से।
हाय, मेरा नाम शार्लेट है, मैं मुंबई से हूँ। मेरा मानना है जीतने वाले अलग चीजें नहीं करते, चीजों को अलग तरह से करते हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and I am from Kolkata, Glad Rags. The name speaks itself.
Hi, this is Jaskirat from Khanna, Punjab. I'm a very confident person and I always determined to achieve what I dreamt of.
मेरा नाम मीर शर्मा है और मैं हरियाणा का रहने वाला हूँ। जैसा कि सभी लोगों का सपना होता है कुछ अलग करने का, पर मेरा सपना है कि मैं अच्छा मॉडल बनूं।
Hey amigos, this is Priya Jadhav from Amchi, Mumbai. I am too bold, too hot to handle. Watch out for me.
Hi, my name is Nishant Suru and I am from Mumbai. मुझे बनना है इस देश का सबसे अच्छा मॉडल and I think I'm on the way.
Hi, मेरा नाम है हनी ग्रोवर और मैं पंजाब से हूँ। I'm a very creative and adventurous person and live my life to the fullest.
नमस्ते एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम मारिया सुमस्ती है और मैं मुंबई शहर से हूँ। I believe that let's get life before life gets us.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम रंजीत सिंह है। The Glad Rags Man Hunt ends right here.
नमस्कार, मैं अभिषेक सिंह भारत के इकलौते द्वीप समूह अंडमान और निकोबार से आया हूँ। 25 वर्ष की मेरी उम्र में लोगों ने मुझे कई नाम दिए, लेकिन किसी ने भी मुझे आज तक विनर नहीं कहा है। मैं यहाँ ग्लैड रैग्स में ये नाम हासिल करने आया हूँ।
Hello everyone, I am Shub, all the way from Kolkata, and I believe one day I will become a successful model of this fashion industry.
Hi, I'm Akanksha Chaudhary from Meerut. I love making people smile and that's how I make my day.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दीपक कुमार और मैं नई दिल्ली से हूँ।
Now I got my life's most important chance to win GladRex Manhunt and I will win it for sure.
मेरा नाम है विजय सिंह और मैं पहाड़ों की वादी हिमाचल से आया हूँ. I am passionate about singing, water sports and of course modeling.
नमस्ते, मैं पुनीत गौर मुंबई से. GladRex द्वारा मुझे ऐसा मौका मिला है जिससे मैं अपनी मॉडलिंग का सपना पूरा कर सकूं और आगे बढ़ सकूं.
Hi, I'm Dr. Urvashi from Delhi. To the people, I would just say one thing. Never stand in someone else's shadow when it's your sunlight that should lead the way.
Hi, this is Bhavneet Bakshi. Well, my mantra is simple. Be yourself and let the world follow you. Cheers.
Over the next couple of weeks, the boys and girls are going to learn about everything from dancing, choreography, photography, makeup, how to dress, how to look confident, how to use body language, and most of all, they will also learn all about etiquette. Table etiquette, etiquette in the world of business, and etiquette in every form of life. So, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
We are at this very stylish restaurant and we're going to have a nice dinner. So we need to know table etiquette. Now, if you're eating continental food or if you go to a continental restaurant or even any kind of restaurant which is serving westernized food with the table setting like this, you must always remember that the first thing you have to do is pick up the napkin and put it on your lap. Okay, so that goes down there. And at the end of the meal, when you're finished, you don't have to fold your napkin, but it is nice if you make it look quite presentable and put it down somewhere, okay? Not in the plate, okay? So that's napkin etiquette. Now this is your plate for your main food. That's plate for if you're having papad or bread butter or whatever extras you're having with this. Remember, cutlery, you start from the outside, you work to the inside. If you see a knife and a fork like this, you know what that is? This means that you're going to have a fish dish to start with. So this means that you're going to have a meal of 2 courses. Anything up here, you can use this spoon for curry rice with this fork, or you can use this spoon. Know your glasses. The bigger glass is not for wine or whiskey, it's for water. The smaller one is for wine or whatever your guests are drinking. White wine normally would go with the fish. Red wine with anything that is of red meat. Glasses up and cheers. Cheers. Okay. Your table sitting is important because when you sit down with a girl and a guy, and if 4 of you are going out, I'm just here as a teacher, it's always good to have it this way, a boy and a girl, because it doesn't necessarily mean she's his date or your date, but it's nice to spread the people so that your conversation can take off. Do not get onto BBMs. Do not get onto your little mobiles. Put them to the side and put them off. So can you tell me which spoon you're going to use for the curry and rice?
These 2.
Good. Okay. Guys, got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Which doesn't mean you sit here waiting for the curry and rice to arrive. Okay? You put it down, you study it, keep it neat, keep your hands away and just relax and talk. Okay? Now we're going to get the food in. If you're being served food, in most restaurants, expensive restaurants where you pay through the nose, they serve you. There's a reason for it because most people don't know how to serve themselves from here. Okay? Common sense. Big spoon here, the fork here, and if you're picking up rice, you can help it onto the spoon. Don't spill it on the way, but get it into the center of the plate. Okay? Always know where you're putting things. Don't be talking to her and then throwing the rice his way. Alright? Now can I see you do the same? Food is always served from the left hand side. Liquor and water is always served from the right hand side. You're watching the Attitude Amway Glad Rags Mega Model Manhunt reality series. I'm Maureen Wadia. See you after the break.
Glad Rags Mega Models.
तेरी लाइफ तो सेट है, पैसे वाला जो है सब स्कूल में यही कहते थे, एक्सपेंसिव कार्स, फैंसी बाइक्स, आरवी इनसे कहीं ज्यादा है, एंड आई प्रूव दैट। स्कूल में एक ही आरवी था, लेकिन कॉलेज में 1000 मिलेंगे, बट आई प्रॉमिस आई विल बी बेटर देन द बेस्ट।
ये जीत की जिद है, रोक सको तो रोक लो। द बॉडी प्रोजेक्ट, नाउ इन कॉलेज, टुमारो 6 PM ओनली ऑन वी।
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं। Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
V-Dot by Valuesm. Turn it on.
And cut it!
I believe that every day is a test where I have to prove myself. That destiny and hard work, they go hand in hand. It doesn't matter where you come from, as long as you believe in yourself. I believe in me.
Asmi, for the woman of spirit.
Skechers, built strong.
I'm a wife. I'm a working woman. I'm a mother. I'm all of them. My greatest achievement was winning the Glad Rags Mrs. India contest.
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं। Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
Are you serious?
कमाल का रोल है यार। कैसा लगा?
पर तू मेरी बीवी से ऐसे नहीं मिल सकता है।
क्यों? रिसर्च करनी है मुझे, और तेरी बीवी तो परफेक्ट है, आज की मॉडर्न नारी।
यार तू
Hi, I didn't realize we had guests. Hi, Amira.
this is
Hi, I'm Sonia from downstairs. Congratulations on your wedding.
Thank you so much. Would you like some tea?
Oh, that would be divine.
बच्चों अपनी रिसर्च के लिए मुझे नया बेस्ट फ्रेंड मिल गया।
तूने कुछ उल्टा सीधा ट्राई किया ना मैं तेरे?
हाथ का लगा रहा।
V-Dot by Valuesm. Turn it on.
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं। Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
अगर तुझे घमंड है, युद्ध ये प्रचंड है, नस में जिसके जोश है, खून में आक्रोश है, आगे तुझको बढ़ना है तो डट के यही लड़ना है, बढ़ना है तो लड़ना है। सुपर फाइट लीग देखते रहिए सिर्फ स्टार स्पोर्ट्स और स्टार स्पोर्ट्स 2 पर। बढ़ना है तो लड़ना है।
You're watching the Attitude Amway Glad Rags Mega Model Manhunt reality series. I'm Maureen Wadia.
I need to ask a question, like the period in which the food has not come to the plate, that time can we keep our elbows on the table?
No.
Because an informal conversation
No.
or something like this?
Yes, you can sit back, or you can put your arms here, or you could do that till the food arrives. Nowadays, a lot of etiquette has relaxed, but the main thing to remember is that if you want to make a good impression on people, say if you go for a business dinner in the next 4 or 5 years of your life, but if you're going for a formal dinner, if somebody's invited you, and or if you're going to your in-laws, if you're going to marry somebody, you need to make a good impression. So the main thing is, don't sort of sit there and say, yes, yaar, what were you saying? And you were saying. So that kind of thing, because what's happening is you're giving her all your attention. That means you're being very rude to these people. So try and moderate it and give as much attention, because after dinner you can do what you like. At dinner, you can make gooey eyes, but keep the conversation clean. And try not to sort of chill out too much. Any questions?
Yes, ma'am. Whenever I start eating, I make a lot of sound. Like whenever I eat, this thing will happen, and this is bad manners. So can you please tell me how to avoid that?
You have to control it. Okay, you have to make sure that you don't scrape the plate and you don't hit the plate. So you just take it in such a way that there's no clanging. So you've got to learn to practice and do it at home or something. Take yourself basic curry, rice or something, and don't clang. You know, this sort